Hi, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic, and this is DBC Diaries episode 58. I'm here with returning patient Bill. Welcome back, Bill.
Hi.
So you were here, last year, I think?
Yeah, it's about the same time.
Yeah. And so I guess, what'd you do then? What are you doing now? How are you feeling?
I got my left ankle done and my right knee done last time. This time I did my left ankle and my right knee and my right shoulder.
Awesome.
Yep.
So what did you see with the ankle and knee? Like, how's it been doing?
It's been really good. I've been like pain free.
Great.
It's not like the pain is completely diminished, but out of like an 8 or a 9 out of a 10, like it was just debilitating before. It's been like a 3 or 4 and just kind of more of just it doesn't hurt as long.
Good.
And
you were telling me
my recovery is a lot better.
you're very active.
Yeah.
We were talking about.
Yeah.
So
Right.
You're always pushing it, keeping it going. And so now we've done the other joints. And how long did it take before your ankle and knee were really feeling like better? Like, what was your experience?
I would say a couple months.
Okay.
Right. Is what it was.
And for you, was it kind of gradual, or did it just like all of a sudden just feel?
It was gradual.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had the opposite. Mine just stopped hurting one day, but some people it is more gradual. So that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we're getting this now. We're going to get you feeling better. Anything else you want to add, or?
And I'm just glad that, I'm just glad that this place is here for us to be able to come down and do this. Right. And especially me, like being super active, even at my age. I feel good that I can come here and do this.
That's great. And what are your favorite things to do? Are you just out like working out?
I work out. I do CrossFit. I race motocross. Even into my 60s, I do that. And it's just like a lot.
That'll do it. Right. We love CrossFitters and dirt bike riders. Yeah. You're always coming back. So that's good.
Right.
Right. We're both from the Northwest. I mean, it's great trails up there. I mean, so much fun to get on a bike and rip around there.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, cool. Well, thanks so much for coming back. Thanks for sharing. And if you at home would like to learn more about stem cell therapy and how it can help you heal joints or autoimmune diseases or anti-aging or even some of the medicines we offer, get a hold of us at www.dreambody.clinic. I'm Josh. Happy to help.